Welcome to another video. As I promised you in the last one that I'm gonna be reviewing my new mic, Boya BY-MM1. So as you can see, there are two aux wires that came with the mic. One is meant for plugging it to the mic and the phone, and the other one is meant for plugging it to the mic and the DSLR. This is the video of me reviewing it. I'm gonna review the mic quality, its sound quality, and just I'm gonna try to audio edit the mic also. Now I'm going to attach one of the aux cables that is meant for connecting it to the mobile. So I'm connecting it to my smartphone because I have a smartphone. I don't have a DSLR. So give me just a minute. So now I've attached the Boya BY-MM1 mic to my mobile phone, and this is me recording my voice. So this is just raw audio of the mic. I've edited nothing, no audio editing at all. Now I'm gonna say the most famous line of mic testing, which is hello, hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Now I'm gonna bring the mic closer to my mouth and then speak. So the video doesn't get too boring, you know. I've done this different experiences. So this is me testing Boya BY-MM1 closer to my mouth. Hello, mic testing 1, mic testing 2, mic testing 3. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my mic almost around 3.5 or 4 feet away from me, just like the vloggers do. Just give me a second. Okay, so now I'm testing my mic from around 2.5 feet away. And obviously I have to speak a little louder because this is gonna be just raw audio, no audio editing at all, as I've told you before. So, now I wanted to tell you guys about how should you use a mic, or if this mic is really worth the price. So I got it almost around 3,500 rupees. So in my opinion, as I've experienced in this past week, this mic has been really good. My experiences are very positive with this mic. Its sound quality without any audio editing is really nice. Okay, so now I wanted to tell you guys that how should you use your mic. In this price point, I've already told you that my experience was really positive. So if you guys are looking to buy this, first of all, I'm gonna talk about gamers. So by the way, hi my gamer boys. You're gonna keep your mic obviously close to your mouth because your teammates are gonna hear you really clearly. As near as your mic is to your mouth, the sound quality is much better. But as you've heard before, my 2.5 feet away experience, most of the vlogger guys would have to audio edit their videos. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you liked the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, it's okay to give it a huge thumbs down. Please share this video to your friends so they may get some information about why to buy a new mic. So just like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.